Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dirk, Freedom Lifestyles Academy, and today I want to talk about Jarvee Instagram automation, the Jarvee Instagram automation bot. And I want to really share my honest opinion about this here in 2020. And I really want to welcome you back to the channel here. But if you're here for the first time, make sure to give some love and show some support here by liking this video and tick that bell icon to be notified the next time I upload a video when I upload them. And of course, hit that subscribe button. So stay tuned and let's dive into the nitty gritty of the Jarvee Instagram automation bot and my honest opinion. This is my Instagram account. Actually, this is only one of my Instagram accounts left. I used to have 120, I think the most I did 120 Instagram accounts at the same time, and it was all running through Instagram bots, and that works. I think I don't even know they exist anymore. LOA, maybe they, oh look, there it still exists. LOA Secrets 1-on-1. 47,000 followers, but I haven't looked at it for a long time, as you can see. November 17th, the last time I posted on this, because everything was there's actually even a link in here that I do not even promote anymore. So, guys, this is Instagram automation, and Instagram automation helped me to create a multiple six-figure business online. All our traffic came from Instagram. Everything goes on and it was all automated. It took me about 20 minutes, half an hour per day just to look at everything and how everything works. But these were the golden times, and I was just searching here today on YouTube, finding what's going on in Instagram automation land. And if you look here on my channel, I started out with giving you a lot of education and a lot of settings, a lot of deep diving into Jarvee, how everything works, and the best settings to use. And I created Instagram courses. I took you by the hand and really helped you to do that. And well, maybe not you are watching this right now, but you're searching for Instagram automation because maybe you start your online business. This channel is all about creating a life full of happiness and fulfillment by using the internet, by creating more income so you can do the things that you actually love to do. So that is the thing. And most likely you're here because you want to grow your Instagram account, not to, well, maybe you want just to show off to your friends that, look, I've got an amazing big Instagram account. Or you're searching for a way to use Instagram to really expand your business. Now, my honest opinion about Instagram automation is that it still works. If I do my research here, I see people that actually grow their accounts, but they grow it like with 10 new followers per day, 20 new followers per day, and it's the like and follow unfollow strategy. But you know what it is though? In 2019, June 2019, Instagram changed their algorithms. And Instagram automation was not what it used to be. Really, Instagram automation was sort of dead. And if you try to do Instagram automation, you're getting blocked for 7 days or even longer. I think the longest I was blocked for like a month, like 30 days in a row, and nothing to. You couldn't do anything with my Instagram account. And from 20 minutes per day, it became hours per day because I got blocked. I lost accounts. I had to create new accounts. And you'll find videos here on my channel how to create multiple Instagram accounts. How if you look at the video, type in how to phone verification for my Instagram. It has over 40,000 views. I don't know. Let's see. My channel here. My channel. And if I look here, 40,000 views. 40,000 views, people. And this is how to unblock your Instagram. Here, still, it is one of my best videos. How to create multiple Instagram accounts. Are you going crazy? How to block. People are still searching for this. How does that work? And of course, this is not up to date anymore. And I think this works. But personally, I stepped away from Instagram automation because it gave me such a headache. It was such a a big task to do every single day. And it was not free, because it's not free. Because I had to have Jarvee, then I had all my proxies, and I from very cheap proxies of my private proxies, they were working perfectly until that big change, and I had to go to 4G proxies. I test them everything, but 4G proxies were about $30 per month for one proxy for one Instagram account. And when I got started with Instagram automation, you could use one proxy for 10 Instagram accounts. To be safe, you do maybe 5, but you could maximize it to 10 Instagram accounts on one proxy. So you can imagine, I had 130 Instagram accounts. That were a lot of proxies, and when I went to 4G, I reduced that to a number of 30 or something. But I paid about $1,000 per month just to keep my Instagram automation up. I had to work almost a full-time job to keep everything going, and it was just a lot of work. And now I see here, this is our story, by the way. And if you're interested in where I come from and where my story is, I live currently here in Costa Rica. I work fully online. I used to be a restaurant owner and work 70 plus hours a week. So I wanted to step away from that to create a business that would only take me about, a couple hours per day, and I could relax and do the things I love to do. And we went on holiday in Costa Rica. We fell in love and said, this is something that we want to do. So if you want to learn more about our story, I recommend you to watch this story. Just go to our the YouTube channel here, and this is the recommended video here on top. So you learn a little bit more about me. Now I actually see that the Instagram workshop course is still on here. I don't know if there's a link behind it, but I probably by the time you see it, it's gone, because now I remembered and I have to change that. So, but that is what it is. And this is, by the way, hosted on our other channel, the Sunshine Family. This is a channel we started dedicated to Costa Rica and tips and tricks. And if you're interested in following our life a little bit here, then definitely make sure to go check it out after you watch this video. But I want to give you my honest opinion about Instagram automation. And does it still work? Yes, it still works. Is it as easy as it used to be? No, it's not. It's a lot of hassle. You cannot grow that fast, and you really want to ask yourself this question. Why do you want to use Instagram automation? Do you want to grow your affiliate business, your online business? Do you really want to create an income? The whole strategy of having influencers and all these likes and stuff like that, it is great. To be honest, look, you said, wow, 61,000 followers. This used to be 68, and it's shrinking because it's shrinking. It's built on automation. But if I look here, I haven't been very active lately. So this is my last post, is I think 3 weeks ago, August 11th. So shame on me that I haven't done anything with it, But look at the engagement, what I did. 66 likes, 4 comments, 1 comment, 3 comments, 5 comments. It is not a lot. This is not a lot. And if you scroll all the way down, I'm not going to do that because that's a long time I was in Panama. You see that I live in Costa Rica and 600 views. If I scroll down, all the way down, there was a lot more engagement. 1,600 likes, 900 likes, 1,600 likes, 1,600 likes. You see? So, and I'm interesting to see, actually, now I look here. This is 65 weeks ago. So this is, here, June 15th. This is really right before Instagram automation crashed. I think it was on June 19th. You see? So it crashed, it dumped, and it doesn't work. Or it does work, but not as effective as it did. It was really automated. And you listen to the word, Instagram automation. You can go online yourself and start following and unfollowing people by hand. And you don't have to pay for any bots. You don't have to pay for proxies. You don't have to have the headache and hassles of setting everything up. Just go for that, Because what is more important on Instagram is not the amount of followers. If you have like 1,000 followers but 0 engagement, your account is like dead. Instagram is not showing your account to anyone. But do you have like 100 followers, but you have content on here and you have like 1,000 likes and 20 comments and really engagement? That is something that Instagram likes. That is something when Instagram takes your account and pushes it forward and shows it to everyone. That is what it is all about. So you can go and follow and unfollow and like and comment, but if you do not have that same engagement on your own account, nothing works. I mean, nothing works. It doesn't, people do not come to your account and see it. So nobody sees your link, so nobody clicks on your link, and nobody, buys your stuff. So think about it. So this is my honest opinion. It is really, I think, a waste of your time to pursue this path. It's better to learn organic strategies and find an automated way, a different way. So now, Dirk, what did you do? What did I do? So first of all, I started to continue building my YouTube channel here, and yes, I'm not perfect, and I went up and down, but I gained up to, I passed 3,000 subscribers, and maybe you're one of them. Thank you so much. I'm happy to have you and happy to serve you. If you have any questions, if you have any desires to learn more about topics, then let me know in the comments below this video, because I'm always on it and I'm here to help you. I want to share my knowledge to help you to gain further in your online adventure, in your, pursuing your dreams, to create a life full of happiness and fulfillment, because that is, I think, what it is all about. So Jarvee, Instagram automation. My honest opinion, no. Step away from it. What are your alternatives? Grow organically and build a YouTube channel. This will give you traffic. So look, this is like Auto Profits by Design. But for example, this video, let me show you a little bit what happens. It's not like tremendously big, but it's working, and it's growing. And now I lost it. Oh yeah, of course. No. So look, Digital Dutchies, all YouTube. And if I go to my Click Magic, this is where I have the things. All YouTube. Look, 2,327 clicks. People are clicking on it with an opt-in rate of 56.1%. This is in the whole year. So let's say the 30 days. These are 161 clicks in the 30 days. And I have not been very consistent with doing videos, so it shrinks. This is the other YouTube channel we have. It's 208 in the last 30 days. And it's not a big channel. You don't need to have a big channel to make that happen. So that is the Sunshine Family, Dirk and Muriel. Go check it out. If you like, you see that it has 1,800 subscribers. It is not a very big channel, but we did make a lot of money of it. We had a $20,000 sale straight off that channel because somebody was interested. So that it was a $12,500 commission for us. Super awesome. And the other one is what I do is Facebook ads. And in a very specific way. Now there are two programs that are run. That is Sun. We turn it on. It's today, the 19th. So yesterday there were 20 here. Oh, this is of course the other one. But let's say, the last 30 days, there were 430 people visiting this website, and I just turned this on a week ago, so that don't think it counts. There's only 33 in the last week, and you see, and there was before I had this running to a program called HTA. Maybe it shows. No, it doesn't show anymore. But this is automated. This is totally automated for me. It is a story ad structure. I really write out my story. It's there. It runs, and this pays me day in, day out. This brings traffic to my. For example, this is something that I promote, and YouTube, Facebook, YouTube banner, YouTube bonus. You see, it all comes from organic traffic. And this person here, just on July 31st, joined in there. And today or yesterday, she upgraded to a higher package. So it just continues here. This is September 19th. This is September 19th. This is just a program. If you're interested how I make full-time income online with one of the programs I recommend, just go ahead and click the first link in the description below this video, and it will help you further. And there is a bonus page. There I teach exactly how this strategy works. But you see, YouTube, this is today. Today, the last subscriber came from YouTube, and this is from a bonus page. This is from a story ad. ManyChat is the chatbot attached to the story ad, story, ManyChat. From our email list, story. This is solo ads, but this is, you see that there are many more organic and Facebook traffic than there is like from solo ads. So that is what I do. That is how I replaced my Instagram automation bot. And this is my honest opinion. Don't waste your time on Instagram automation. It is not worth it. It gives you headaches. It gives a lot of stress to keep everything up. You have a big chance of losing your account. And as long as you do not have engagement going on your Instagram account, nothing really happens. It's not in your benefit. So really focus on creating great content. Search for good hashtags that go along with it. And make that combination and just build your Instagram account like that. And be patient. Give it time. Next to that, focus on a paid strategy, because Instagram automation costs you money anyway. Like Facebook ads, learn that in a way. I make a combination with something called ManyChat. And if I look at here my audience, it just rolls in, day out, day in, day out. I get new people to my business. So guys, I hope my video was value for you. I gave you some value. You learned something here. If that's the case, just make sure to give some love and support. Give me the likes, and make sure to subscribe to this to the channel. And if you have any questions, any comments, make sure to leave them below in the comment section. And again, if you want to learn more about how I make a full-time income online and live here freely in Costa Rica, here we were whale watching. This is actually a bus we live in right now because we're building our house. And then temporarily, I build a roof over the bus, and this is where we now live in temporarily. So awesome, guys. I hope it helped. See you next video.